In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide weekends on the calendar in Monday.com. This is especially useful if your team only works on weekdays and you want your timelines and calendar views to reflect a standard Monday to Friday schedule. By hiding weekends, your boards can look cleaner and your planning can feel a bit more focused. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, look to the top right corner of your Monday.com workspace. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your initials, a picture, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your personal settings and, depending on your permissions, the admin settings for the entire account. From that drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Administration. You may also see it called Admin in some versions. Keep in mind that you'll need to have admin rights on the account to access this section. If you don't see the administration option, you may need to ask an account admin to follow these steps for you. Once you're in the administration area, you'll see a menu or list of sections on the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled General and click on it. The general settings control overall behaviors and preferences for your Monday.com account, such as time zone, language, and other global options. Inside the general section, find and select the Account tab or subsection. This is where you'll manage account-wide settings that affect how your boards and views behave for everyone in the workspace. The change we're about to make will typically apply across the account, so it's a good idea to let your team know if you're modifying something they might notice. Now, within the account settings, look for the option called Hide Weekend. This is usually presented as a toggle or checkbox. When this setting is turned on, weekends will be hidden from relevant calendar and timeline views, helping you focus only on working days. Simply click on Hide Weekend to enable it. Once it's activated, your calendar